Hey y'all, I'm Jan. Thank you for being here. No bake, caramel covered chocolate chip cheesecake. Let's make this. So, the first thing we've got to do is make our crust. I'm using the all brand Oreos here. I'm apologizing again to my diabetics. Uh, this bag, this is a family size. These were only $2.98. These are 19 ounces, a little over a pound. A 12-ounce bag of regular Oreos was $4.58, I believe, which is ridiculous. Now, there was a sugar-free option. Unfortunately, it was $5, $4.98, I believe it was, for just 14 cookies. I'm so sorry. I don't understand the prices of stuff, but so we're going to make our crust. You could also buy the crust already made. It was also $4 and something. So to me, this is so much easier, and I'll have enough left over to make another one sometime. So we're going to use 20 to 24 Oreos. I'm going to attempt to use only 20. If you have a food processor, you can use that to crush these up. If you're like me and have aggression for no reason because you're 50, I'm going to take my rolling pin and I'm going to beat the stew out of them. So, here we go. 7, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, we'll do 22, and that should give me enough to make another pie. I'm just going to seal up the bag. Seal it well, y'all. And I'm going to beat the stew out of it until it's all crumbs. And then I'm going to mix in 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And I'll be back to show y'all that. 4 tablespoons of butter is equal to a half of a stick of butter. And for you non-Americans, this is 56.5 grams. You just want to throw it in your microwave for about, I think it usually takes me about 25 seconds. All right, be back. Here we go. Got our cookies crushed. Got our butter melted. And we're just going to mix it until it's all combined. And then we will press it into our pie plate. Okay. Got all the cookies covered in butter. Now I'm just going to use the back of a measuring cup and press this all down. And then I'm going to put this in the fridge to chill while we get on with the next bit. This is super simple. You know, you could also get your kids to help you with the crushing of these cookies. Or like I said, if you have a food processor, just give them a whirl. A couple of whirls should do it. You could even leave it, a little chunky if you wanted to. But so again, 20 to 24 Oreos. I use 22, and I mean, it looks just fine to me. I guess it depends on how high you want the crust to come up on the sides. Okay, anyway, finished pressing this out. That's about it. And I'm going to put this in the fridge to chill while we get on with the actual pie part of it, you need 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese at room temp. You need a 1/3 cup of sugar, and you need a cup of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. And you need an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. I'll be back. Now then, we're going to beat together a 1/3 cup of sugar with 8 ounces of cream cheese, or 226 grams of cream cheese. You want to beat it until the sugar, or until it's smooth, until the sugar is no longer gritty. Be right back. Now then, we're going to fold in 8 ounces of Cool Whip. We'll keep a little bit of this out. Okay, I'm going to fold this all in until it's completely incorporated, and I'll be right back. Now then, 1 cup of semi-sweet mini chocolate chips. Now, to make this pie, about $8. The only reason I got this brand was because it's the only brand they had that had the mini chocolate chips. 1 cup. Now I'm going to fold these in. This is a quick and easy dessert, especially for the holidays. Well, it's quick to make, but it does need to sit in the fridge for an hour or 2 before you cut into it. But it's not so expensive and few ingredients. And it's always a winner with the kids. And with adults too, really. Most people like chocolate. And I don't know about cheesecake, but this is delicious. Okay. I'm gonna grab our pie crust. There's our crust we made. And here's our filling. Oh, this looks so good already. Mm. Suppose I could have brought that crust up a little higher, but that's all right. Okay. Now then, because I can't leave well enough alone, I'm going to add one more thing. Yes. Caramel syrup. Now you could add chocolate syrup on this. Come on. I'll get that cleaned off. This has to go in the fridge. And there we go, y'all. It's good to me. And that crust is pretty thick. Ooh. Mm. I don't think you could possibly make a bad cheesecake, but this is delicious. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. I hope y'all will give this a try for Thanksgiving. I got a few more I intend to make for y'all. Or you could make them, for Christmas too, but I really hope y'all will give this a try. Chocolate chip cheesecake, no bake, Oreo crust, and I added some caramel sauce on top. But like I said, you could add chocolate sauce on top also. But y'all try this one. It's delicious. I truly appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see you soon.